Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will be discussing React Native versus Flutter. To head start the video, both of these technologies, they are used to build top-notch modern mobile applications. React Native uses its native UI components. That means when you create a button or a text field, it actually uses the real Android or iOS components under the hood. So your app looks and behave like a true native app automatically. Flutter is different. Flutter does not use the native UI components. Instead, it draws everything itself using its own rendering engine called Skia. That means every button, text, animation, and layout is fully controlled by Flutter. Now, because of this functionality, Flutter gives you extremely consistent UI across platforms, and your app will look almost identical on Android and iOS unless you customize it differently. So let's go into the details and see what different features they have and how they are comparable. As I've already discussed, UI rendering and UI consistency. The custom UI design may look good, but it needs third-party libraries on React. But with Flutter, it has built-in everything and we don't need any third-party libraries. Same is the case with the animations. Animations are good with React Native, but we need to add some libraries. As far as the performance is concerned, React Native is near the native side of the apps, whether it's on Android or iOS. But since Flutter has its own rendering engine, the performance for Flutter applications are very, very high. And the language, we know React Native uses JavaScript or TypeScript, whereas Flutter has its own language called Dart. So these are some of the feature comparisons. The React Native, as we all know by now, is best for business apps and JS teams, and whereas Flutter is highly customizable apps. So if if your priority is a deeply customized, high animated, consistent UI, Flutter is very strong. But if your priority is using native platform components and leveraging the JavaScript ecosystem, then React Native is a great choice. So that is it for this video. I hope this video is helpful for you. Comment if you have any questions, and I will see you in the next one.